What motivates you to race motocross?
Watching everybody on TV.
Yeah? Do you want to be on TV? No?
No. My name is Parker Hatfield and I'm 7 years old.
How long have you been racing?
4 years. I do desert racing and motocross.
What classes do you race?
7 to 10 and 50 open. Yeah, like I want to race for a long time. At least I want to race until I'm like 50.
Yeah. That's awesome. You think you'll win a bunch of championships?
Kinda. I want to win 5 championships.
Have you won any championships?
Yeah, I've only won 2. Much fun I get, and like it's a good time to be away from school for a little bit. I'm sponsored by Dunlop, Aramis, Chick-fil-A, and Twin Air.
You work hard.
Yeah.
You think like
I put a lot of effort into it. You should sponsor me because I work hard and I put a lot of effort into it and I try to win.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah. Only one. German Shepherd.
What's his name?
Bullet.